Hello students. There is one more confusion about whether to use on, over, above. Because in all three cases of these prepositions, we always want to refer the meaning upward. So most of the time we are confused whether to use on, over or above. So today I am here to discuss in which condition the preposition on has to be used. See, on has to be used whenever both the objects are vertically in position. For example, if you see my head and this particular water bottle, believe me, this is water bottle, obviously. This water bottle and my head, they are vertical to each other. Not only that, the second condition is that both the objects should touch each other. Now see, this bottle is touching my head. So I can say in this condition that the bottle is on my head. One more condition is that both the objects should be stationary, not moving. If they are moving, in the scenario changes. So here, when I just put it like this, now in this case it is stationary. So the bottle is on my head. The bottle is on the book. In this scenario, whenever both the objects, they are stationary, they are vertically in position and they are touching. And one more very slight condition is that the upper object is smaller than the lower object. So these are the conditions in which on preposition has to be used. Now we'll look for in which condition the preposition over has to be used.